So we've been on a big journey together. Where have we finally arrived? The world wants to go home and yet it cannot get back home, nor can it ever fully and finally make its home here and now, so far away from the home for which we were made. And so it feels hiraeth, that homesickness for a home to which it cannot return, a home which maybe never was, the nostalgia, the yearning, the grief for the lost places of our past. It is time to come back from exile to our own country, out of the pigsty into the party, no longer lost but found, and brought onto the inside of that magical place with that name which is stronger than magician ever spoke, the nicest word there is, which there is no place like. Jesus Christ is your true home.